Hello everyone. I'm Dr. S. Kavita, Associate Professor, Department of Chemical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Here I'm going to talk about adsorption isotherms, mainly Langmuir, Freundlich, and Bett isotherms. What is adsorption? Adsorption is the accumulation of molecules from a fluid phase onto the surface of a solid. That is adsorbent. The adsorbing species is called adsorbate. Unlike adsorption is a purely surface phenomena governed by intermolecular forces between the fluid and the solid surface. The two types of adsorption are physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. Physical adsorptions are weak van der Waals forces and it is reversible process, and chemical adsorption are strong chemical covalent bonds, often irreversible, and isotherms are equilibrium relationship at constant temperature. The Langmuir adsorption assumptions are surface is uniform, adsorption occurs in one layer, no interaction between adsorbed molecules, adsorption is irreversible. Adsorption is reversible. The core concept is the Langmuir model describes monolayer adsorption on a homogeneous surface with a finite number of identical energetically equivalent binding sites proposed by Langmuir. It remains the fundamental adsorption model. The Langmuir adsorption pathway is expression is derived by equating the rates of adsorption and desorption. Let theta is fractional surface coverage and P equal to partial pressure, and K and KD are adsorption and desorption rate constants. Langmuir final equation, the surface coverage theta equal to K into P divided by 1 plus K into P, and amount absorbed Q equal to Q max Kp divided by 1 plus Kp, where Ka divided by Kd is the Langmuir equilibrium constant. A linear plot P by Q versus P yields a Q max value and rate constant K. Next, Freundlich adsorption isotherms. The Freundlich adsorption isotherm is the empirical model for adsorption on heterogeneous surfaces where adsorption sites have a distribution of binding energies. It does not predict the saturation points. Q equal to Kf P power 1 by N. Kf equal to Freundlich capacity factor and 1 by N equal to adsorption intensity. Linearized log form is to taking logarithm on both sides, we will get the final form log q equal to log kf plus 1 by n log p. A plot log q versus log p gives straight line with slope 1 by n and intercept log kf, allowing direct experimental determination of model parameters. When 1 by n less than, it is a favorable adsorption. When 1 by n equal to 1, it is linear, that is follows Henry's law. When 1 by n greater than 1, cooperative absorption. Isotherms. The Brunner-Emmett-Teller theory extends Langmuir adsorption to multi-layer coverage. Multi-layer adsorption proceeds beyond the first monolayer, and first layer is Langmuir adsorption. The initial layer obeys Langmuir kinetics, and upper layer is liquid like subsequent layers behave like bulk liquid concentration. No layer interlayer forces. Layers are energetically independent, and Bett equation is P by Q into P naught minus P equal to 1 by Qm into C plus C minus 1 divided by Qmc into P by P naught. Here P equal to partial pressure, P naught is equal to saturation pressure, and Q equal to amount adsorbed, and Qm equal to monolayer capacity, C equal to Bett constant. Linear form and surface area plotting Q into P naught minus P versus P by P naught yields a straight line. The slope is C minus 1 QMC and intercept 1 by QMC. Comparing the three models, Langmuir, monolayer saturation, thermodynamically grounded, ideal for chemisorption, and Freundlich, no saturation limit, best for heterogeneous system at moderate pressures. But multi-layer physical adsorption, standard method for surface area measurements. Thank you.